Camille, your realtor friend right here in North Carolina, and today I'm actually en route to host an open house event in Waxhaw, North Carolina in the infamous neighborhood Millbridge. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys a tour of Millbridge and what it may be like to live in this community. After that, I will also give you a tour of the home that I will be hosting today from my fellow real estate agent, Johnny Harris, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. Come along with me for the ride. Welcome to Millbridge in Waxhaw, North Carolina. I had the opportunity to talk to many of the residents in this community, and they all enjoy living here. They love the community feel of so many events that are always going on and all the amenities that Millbridge has to offer. And as you can see, most of the homes are very large in this community. You have 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and even 5 bedrooms with flex space and loft areas in this community. So today we are actually going to be touring this house. Currently, as of today, this home is active on the MLS for $615,000. This house, as you can see, is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. The very first room to your left was a flex space that could be used as an office, sitting area, or a reading room. I just put out some materials for our open house event, and you do have this half bath on the first floor. Nice powder bath, very nicely decorated by the owners. Moving right along to your right is going to be a staircase going upstairs, and you have a great room featuring your dining area off to the right side, as well as your living room with the fire place that is gas, and your kitchen with all of your stainless steel appliance, in addition to a little coffee station on your left. I love this island. This island could easily fit 4 chairs, as you see. This home was a Lennar build. To your left, this is going to be the pantry area. Very large pantry to store all of your non-perishable items. The garage is right off of the kitchen, as you can see. And of course, we have the built-in microwave, the range, and the dishwasher. What do you guys think about the backsplash in this home? Moving right along to your living room area. I love how those 3 smaller windows sit above the couch, because it doesn't take up too much space and you can actually move furniture around while still achieving maximum lighting inside of the room. You do have a laundry room with some storage up top and a linen closet. On the first floor, you also will find your primary suite. Vinyl plank floorings throughout the first floor. And your primary does feature a walk-in closet. The owner of this home actually added a dresser inside of the closet. I love this bathroom with the double sink. And you have your shower tub combo. And we love a nice garden tub. I love all the whites. It just makes the room feel very large. Again, this is an overview from the steps. Moving right along up the steps is carpeted, as you can see, as well as the entire second floor is going to be carpeted. And what do you know? On the landing of the second floor, you will have this awesome loft that can be used as a den area, an additional sitting area, a playroom. It could be used as a movie room, whatever you desire. I love the flexibility that you could do in this space. This is going to be a secondary bedroom, very spacious as well. Can't get enough storage. Shared bath. Double vanity sink once again. This is actually going to be a second primary suite. So this home actually has 2 primary suites. If you've made it this far, comment below and let me know what suite you prefer. Do you prefer the primary suite on the first floor? The closet was a little bit bigger. Or do you prefer this primary suite on the second floor with the cutout in the sitting area? And then this bathroom. Of course, the first bathroom was much better in my opinion, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And you also have another secondary bedroom. So this is going to be the 3rd bedroom on this floor with the loft space. And then all of your other home amenities are downstairs. Spacious walk-in closet. Moving right along off the living room, you have your backyard. I love this area. I would just sit out here all day. So private. And I love this because it's actually on a corner lot, but you still get the privacy with all of the greenery, all of the vegetation. Hey, we are at the open house today. It has been a great success with all of the neighbors and people in the community stopping by. So if you did not get a chance to stop by, you definitely missed out on a great home. Very beautiful layout. If you have any questions about real estate, please don't hesitate to send me a message. I'm available to answer all of your real estate questions this weekend. Make it a great day. After we finished the open house, I wanted to take a drive around Waxhaw, North Carolina, going to our next open house event. And they pretty much had everything that you can think of for necessity-wise, groceries, shopping, car washes, hospitals, all the things. So Waxhaw is not so small of a city. You definitely have all of your essentials and would not have to travel very far. Woodhall is a community filled with luxury real estate. In the last 6 months, the lowest price home was sold for $1.4 million and the highest price home was sold for $1.685 million. Currently, we are walking through a 6-bedroom home, over 8,500 square feet of space, and this home is active on the MLS for $2.75 million. Some of the features in this home included a movie theater, a wet bar, a finished basement, an outdoor terrace, high vaulted ceilings, and an elevator that goes to all 3 floors. My favorite part about this property was the magnificent views of the pond. I also really enjoyed the 2 toilet rooms in the owner's suite. Hi.
I didn't mean to say that.
Menu looks good. Oh, that's a cute little section. That's a cute little area. Gift shop. Waxhaw Creamery.